Okay, so I got the 16 volt lithium ion battery. I'll show you how to replace it, the 16 volt. First, you're going to pop this up, pull it over like that, and then pop it out. So that's how you disconnect it. And then to remove it, you're gonna remove this one right here. I believe that's an 8mm. And then these right here, and it will just come right off. So let's do that right now. Okay, so we got the 4 8mm screws out, and then one on top of this. I just push this over to the side. And now we can remove the 16 volt lithium ion battery. So that's how you remove it. It's pretty easy. I removed this piece right here, and there were a bunch of clips holding it in, just to get to it a lot easier, because I still have to remove the VCFRONT. Okay, so after you get that battery out, there's these two 10mm bolts. You're gonna remove those. And then there's one down there, right there. There's one right here. And then there's one down there. So I just use extensions to get those out. And then you're gonna disconnect this connector right here. Just push this in and slide this piece out, and that disconnects that. And then you can remove this shield right here and get to all the connectors inside to disconnect. So after you get the top off, you're gonna remove all of these. And if you don't remove them, you can't get this VCFRONT out. Okay, after we got all those out, we can now remove this VCFRONT. I'm not gonna take this cowl off, so I'm just gonna lift it up. And out she goes. Okay, there's the VCFRONT. We're gonna replace it with this one right here. Okay, so we're just gonna put it right back in how it was before. Once we got it in, we're gonna connect all of these. Make sure you listen to it click so you know it's in for sure. And then we pop these in. Okay, the hardest part is getting this thing. You see that down there, right here? This little plastic piece, you gotta get to go in that hole. You kind of have to wiggle it around. I actually kind of broke the whole piece, but it fit in. That way you can get that screw over there and this screw back in.